Hello and welcome to section 3.2 Relational Operators. In this video, I'll introduce relational operators and I'll give you examples on how to use them. In the previous video, we talked about the equality operator and we said that we use it for comparison. And we said that the equality operator will return false or zero when the comparison is not true, but will return a non-zero value when the comparison is true. In this table, I'll go through the equality operator again, along with other rational operators. For the equality operator, 5 = 5 will evaluate to true, while 1 = 2 will evaluate to false. The next operator is the not equal operator, which is an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. When comparing two values, this will compare the left-hand side to the right-hand side, and if they are not equal, this will evaluate to true. For example, if we say 5 not equal to 5, this is not true because 5 is equal to 5, and hence will evaluate to false. On the other hand, if we say 1 is not equal to 2, this will evaluate to true. The next operator is the greater than operator, right here. With this operator, if we're comparing two variables or two values, if the left-hand side value is greater than the right-hand side value, then this will evaluate to true. Otherwise, it will evaluate to false. For example, if we say that 5 is greater than 5, that's obviously not true, so it will evaluate to false. But if we say that 2 is greater than 1, that's true, and it will evaluate to true. The next operator is the less than operator, which is the opposite of the greater than operator. So now, if we're comparing two variables or two values, if the left-hand side is less than the right-hand side, this will evaluate to true. Otherwise, it will evaluate to false. Again, if we say 5 is less than 5, that's false. But if we say 1 is less than 2, that will evaluate to true. The next two operators are the greater than or equal to operator and the less than or equal to operator. They are the same as the previous two operators, the greater than or the less than operator. Only this time, if the two values we're comparing are equal, then the comparison will evaluate true. So if we're saying that 5 is greater than or equal to 5, or if we're saying that 5 is less than or equal to 5, both of these comparisons will evaluate to true. Next, we'll talk about logical operators.